Okay, so last night we started looking at Slither and we installed it. One thing we learned is you need to make sure you can compile the contract. To really, you can't, if you can't compile the contract, this is not going to help you. It uses the compiler to do its static analysis. And we looked at a basic analysis. Let's see if I can pull that up. And it gives you a bunch of stuff. It talks about, now in this case it was, you can see it'll tell you what file it's in. And let's see, like for example here, reentry. And I remember reading, so function that could be declared external. Let's see what that says. Functions that are never called by the contract should be declared external to save gas. So that's something good to know. It's not something I knew before. So let's get back to, this is the kind of stuff, but there's a lot more you can do with this tool. Let's see, I have to put things in the right place or they will get lost. So the other thing we have here is we have printers. Printers, you can do human summary, which will give you a summary, print human summary. It gives you things written in a more human, understandable fashion. So here, talk about mem copy. Little things you can do to improve it. So that is your human summary. You can do an inheritance graph, so let's try that. And this is pretty well documented. And let's see. Let's see what we got here. That gives you some basic warnings, and let's see if it oh, I see. Okay. I wonder what would happen if I open this in here. Let's see. No. Let me try something that you are I am going to see what happens when you just bring it up without, just double click on it. Yeah. Uh, so it looks like you need another tool. Anyway, so you can do your little graphs. You can do, let's see, you can even do a comma separated. Let's see, here's one. Automatic unit test and property generation. See what that does. Let's see how to, hopefully you're seeing this, yeah. I think I need to shrink this down a little bit so you can, and then bring it up so you can see. There we go. So, you can see here, let's see what happens when we try this. Oh, it didn't like that. See if it's, why it did not. Oh, see what I did wrong. Hmm? What would that, let's try getting rid of this dot here. See if that, maybe, let's try this. So, let's see, because it is not being very clear here. See, it gives you this example, and I think the best way to do it is this. See if it has, okay. Let's see here how you're supposed to look out. Lots and lots of properties. Huh. Okay, let's try that. What? See if this does anything. Oh, now that's, ah, so let's try this. This is a very, they give you a lot here. Um, hmm. Let's try something simpler. Mm, very interesting. So that that is interesting. Let's go back. See what this does. Hmm. Oh, this is a topic in and of itself. ERC 20 compliance. So anyway, let's see what else we can do. You can check the tools here. Let's see. Contract summary. Let's see what that one does. Actually, what we can do is okay. So, and you can do GitHub integration. So this is like, goes through a summary. I have a feeling you need a bigger space here to, yeah, when you need to stretch it out for this because it's giving you all this sort of detail. Yeah, this has your external transfer. So that's that. Let's see. This tells you what state variables you're using there. So you can see this is a very interesting tool. Really let you explore whatever you're working on and finds errors before you actually get it out there and before you actually even, commit it for test it and send it to testing. So anyway, hopefully this has been helpful. If it has, please give a like, please subscribe, please ring the bell for further videos and share it with the friends who may be interested. Take care.